Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you what you'll be working on for Tuesday, May 5th. So I'm already on Schoology. I've got the folder May 4 to May 8 available. I already clicked the down arrow so that the folder would expand. Now I'm going to go to where it says Tuesday, May 5th and expand just that folder. So now that that's loaded, you can see all of the assignments that you'll be working on for Tuesday. The first thing you're going to be working on are the math assignments. So that's why it has the number 1 next to it. After that, you're ready to move on to the social studies. So in Tuesday's folder, you're going to be reading an article about immigration to our country. And there's also going to be a few questions that you're going to answer based on that article. After you've completed number 2, you're ready to move on to number 3, which is you choosing your topic for your research project. So there's going to be a video from me explaining what the project is about. There's also a video from Miss Rojas explaining a little bit more about what's available to you for the research. And then the final part is going to be you filling out the Google form to choose the topic that you want to focus on when you do your research project. So that's number 3. The fourth thing you're working on is the gym PE assignment for Tuesday. After that, you're going to be working on any assignments for band, orchestra, ELL, or if you work with Mrs. Diggins, you'll be working on those assignments. If you have MTSS, you'll be working on those assignments as well. So please check those folders for those assignments if that applies to you. Once you've finished everything, then you're ready to check Senko's feed, practice your typing skills, and do the additional activities that are available to you once you're finished with everything else. Please don't forget, at the top of your Schoology page, you can always click on groups. I just clicked on it, and you can go and see what's going on in Miss Checo's group, in Mrs. Hensel's group, and in the nurses group. They do have videos and they do have interactive opportunities for you, so don't forget to check that out. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.